Okay, so this is Record Store Day Unboxing 2020. The first box, and it arrived like this. Doesn't look very good. Let's hope there's nothing damaged inside. Anyway, let's see what we've got. As usual, boxes inside boxes. And this one, we have groundhogs. Groundhogs split. That's a classic. Yep, like that. Like that a lot. The Magic Numbers. So first LP, deluxe anniversary reissue on clear vinyl with a bonus 7-inch. Nice. Terry Hall. The legendary Terry Hall for specials. The Fun Boy 3. Solo album, Home. First time on vinyl. A lot of people want that. Didn't get many. We're doing Record Store Day differently this year. We're not opening the shop to all and sundry, not having big queues. We're doing it by appointments because of social distancing, and that means I haven't ordered as much stock as last year, but got some interesting records though. I think this is, they have a lovely egg, so I am a moron. Got a mirror on the cover. Pale Saints, Mrs. Dolphin, a couple of copies of that. And the Charlatans, UK versus the Chemical Brothers. This is going to be a lot of people wanting this. I don't get many copies because there weren't many copies. Okay. On to the next one. Sort ourselves out. Acid Mother's Temple, psychedelic, psychedelia, nice. One of my favourites, Bert Jansch, live in Italy. This could be a pretty good album, double album, live recording from 1977, one of my favourite artists. Playing with people in the room, Jansen, Barbier, Khan. A lot of reissues here. That's the way we'll stay. Oh, hey, Studio One, 007. Scatterlights, Lee Perry, some really great Scar stuff on there. Nice little box of 7-inch singles. Shakespeare's Sister, number 3. Studio One Rockers. Now that's a bit more Scar, Horace Andy, Scatterlights, Marcia Griffiths. Looks good. The Wolfgang Press, Remembered. Spacemen 3. Ginger Wildheart, Excess Gas, and another Shakespeare's Sister, this time a 12-inch single. That looks pretty good. These back in the box. Let's start on another. This is it, not a big delivery from these people, but it's a start. Jazzgares Mod, Soho Scene, 66. Not an official Record Store Day release, but It's a series that one of my customers particularly likes. Jazz on Film, Emery Collar and Andre Holier. Must be jazz from film soundtracks. Soul of the Blues, Bobby Parker. Really nice bit of blues. Yep, classic stuff. More film music. This time, movies of Marcel Mastroianni, classic Italian actor, and more. Jazz on Film, Michel Legrand. Don't get many of these, but they always go quite well. People like the jazz soundtracks. Finally, Dennis Hopper's The Last Movie, soundtrack from that, and Barry Dransfield. There's an echo from the past, from the 60s. Barry Dransfield, great artist, long forgotten. That's the end of today, the first unboxing from the Vinyl Revival store. Join us again when we put the next box in. Goodbye.